a special musical performance by the Hive.
Hello? Hello? Oh. Hello, is anybody here?
Yes?
You scared me.
Yes, yes. It's like when you boots on the monkey.
Excuse me?
You know, like a boots. You know, the man's scared. Like boots, and there's no poop on the monkey. You know.
Okay, look, I own a mint condition 2001 Kia Sophia, okay? Now, it's been here for 2 weeks, and I was told it would take a couple days, okay? And I want to know what's going on.
Yes, your car, it's like, damn it, there's no pork in the baby. You never know.
Are you kidding me?
Hello, can I help you?
Oh, God, thank God. Okay, my car's been here for 2 weeks. Okay, it's a 2001 Kia Sophia XLE. Top-of-the-line Sophia. Beautiful car. It's a piece of work. It cost me $8,000 brand new. I need it for my business, and I want to know what's happening, okay?
Hello, can I help you?
I just told you.
미나니다. 미국 말은 조금만 알아요.
Okay, he say he only know how to say, hello, can I help you?
Hello, can I help you?
Okay, do you speak English?
No, English me. Yes, English me.
You speak English?
Yes, English. Holla.
Hello, can I help you?
No, look, guys, come on, guys. I need my Kia Sophia for my business. Is my car fixed? My car, is it fixed?
네가 찬다. 야, 이게 집에 자동차 고친가? 내거 가세요.
Okay, he said that the car is like the lady who said, you don't need no whistling at me. Animal face.
No.
You don't need no whistling. Holla.
My God, I feel like I'm on an Asian acid trip.
Hello, can I help you?
Okay, you know what? If this keeps up, I'm gonna twist someone's nuts off with a lug wrench. Don't laugh. I need this.
Hey, what's happening?
I'm trying to find out if my Kia Sophia is fixed.
Hello, can I help you?
Oh.
Holla.
Look, man, come on. It's a car, a Kia Sophia. It's Opal Misread. It's got the premium AM/FM stereo package.
Kick-ass spoiler?
Yeah, it's got a vanity plate that says Mr. Cools.
With a Z.
That's the one.
That one's ready.
Okay, is the roof ornament fixed?
There was no roof ornament.
Yes, there was a roof ornament. I need my roof ornament. It's a Mr. McWeenie. I need it for my advertising.
All right. Bae-sung, get this guy's McWeenie.
Just go get it.
I told you pineapple juice and the animal face. Uh-oh, hot dog.
I think I'm playing an Asian guy.
Asian people are funny.
I'm gonna be doing this for the rest of my life.
You two are so freaking hot, I can just...